Hey, it's your girl Coach Pam back again for another weekly training to help you not just start strong, but stay strong in your weight loss and fitness journey to reach your goals, right? And if you're new here, welcome to the Weight Loss for Women Over 35 group. This is a safe, real, and supportive space for women who are ready to get consistent, ditch the stress, and finally lose weight in a way that actually lasts while being able to eat the foods you love guilt-free. Whether you're trying to shed that stubborn belly fat, improve your energy, or feel confident in your favorite dress or jeans again, I got you. This is a group dedicated for women over 35 to those who know or don't know me, and actually anyone who want to lose and sustain their weight so they can gain confidence, boost energy, and reduce their stress while still being able to eat the foods they love guilt-free. But even if your goal is not weight loss at the moment, I can help with that, whether it's to be healthier, be more consistent in your fitness and health journey, eat better, gain strength, gain muscle mass, improve your cardio, and so on. Maybe not bodybuilding at the moment, for the stage, but you get the gist, right? So I created this group because of my own weight loss journey, and because I have yo-yo dieted for years. I was dieting all the time. When I entered the world of fitness and health, I developed a mild form of orthorexia, which is an unhealthy obsession with healthy and clean eating. So that means only super healthy and clean foods were on my mind 24/7. When I discovered how to make small tweaks that created big changes, everything changed. It was like magic. Poof! I not only lost 15 kilograms or 33 pounds, but I also sustained it for 4 years already. Now I want to help women over 35 do the same, and this is why I want to help women over 35 lose and maintain their weight and regain their health back without any restrictions or doing like excessive exercising and a bunch of cardio by still being able to eat the foods they love and enjoy their weekends so they can have a social life. So, back to today's training, which is all about preparation, which is called, this is why you can stay consistent with your weight loss and fitness goals past Wednesday, right? So back to today's training, which is all about preparation, because let's be honest, most people don't fail because they don't want it badly enough. They fail because they don't have a plan, no structure, no schedule, just vibes, and that to-do list floating around in their head. So today, we're talking about how to effectively prepare for the week so you can stay consistent with your weight loss and or fitness and health goals without falling off track by Wednesday. Because if you're not preparing, you're setting yourself up to say the same thing you said last week. I was doing good until life got in the way, right? So let's make this week and even this month you stop the cycle. So here's how. Step number 1, pick your weekly planning day. First things first, choose one day each week to plan ahead. Yeah. It could be Sunday evening, Saturday morning, even Friday if your weekends are busy. The point is, pick one day and make it non-negotiable planning day. Make it a non-negotiable planning day. Treat it like a meeting with your future self. This is where you take 20 to 30 minutes to look at the week ahead and get honest about your work schedule, kids' activities or appointments, social commitments, grocery shopping and meal prep windows, and most importantly, when you're going to move your body and fuel it properly. This one habit alone reduces decision fatigue. Saves you so much stress and gets you out of that chaotic, I'll figure it out later mindset that keeps you stuck. Number 2, schedule your workouts and self-care. Now that you've picked your planning day, here's your next non-negotiable. Schedule your workouts just like you would a dentist appointment or client meeting. I want you to write them down, not just, I'll try to work out 3 times this week. Nah, sis, we're not trying, we're planning. Ask yourself, what type of workout will I do? Strength training, walk, yoga, etc. What day and what time? How long will it take? What's my backup plan if something gets in the way? Same goes for your self-care routines. If you're not intentional about protecting your energy, it will get hijacked by everything and everyone else. Examples of self-care planning: 10-minute wind down before bed. No, not including your phone. Walks outside without distraction. Stretching and deep breathing. And blocking off time for a solo coffee, journaling, etc. Here's a tip. Use your calendar and set alerts. The fewer decisions you have to make in the moment, the better. This is recording, right? Okay. Step 3. Plan your meals. realistically. Now let's talk food, because the biggest obstacle most women over 35 face is not knowing what to eat when life gets busy. I have no idea why. So during your planning day, choose 3 to 5 meals you're going to cook or rotate that week. You don't need 20 fancy recipes, just a few reliable meals you actually enjoy and can prep without overthinking. Plan your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks around what foods you already have, what's on sale or easy to grab, what fuels you and keeps you satisfied, and what is for your goals, right? Don't forget to include fun foods, because this isn't a detox. You're building a healthy, sustainable routine. This isn't the old way of losing weight, right? Your weight loss journey is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be enjoyable. You're supposed to be enjoying the process, not like miserable. Yeah, you can say, oh, yeah, those shakes help me lose weight, but by afternoon or evening, you're binging, Or overeating, you're eating everything in sight. Yeah, that's not a weight loss. Step 4. Pick a grocery day and meal prep day. Choose one day to shop and one day to prep. Or this can be the same or separate depending on your schedule, right? On grocery day, shop your list based on your planned meals. Stick to the outer aisles for fresher produce, protein, and healthy fats. Grab fun foods that fit your plan. Yes, chocolate can be a part of this. On prep day, you'll need to cook 15 containers of the same chicken and rice. You don't need, okay? Meal prep can look like chopping veggies ahead of time, cooking protein in bulk like chicken or ground turkey, washing fruits so it's ready to grab and go, and prepping sauces or overnight oats so in the morning it's easy for you to have breakfast, right? Not saying, oh, I don't have time to make breakfast in the morning. Prep your ingredients, not just full meals if that's more your style. The goal is to reduce stress when the week gets hectic, not become a personal chef every Sunday. Step 5. Clean and organize your space. You'd be surprised how much clutter affects your ability to stay on track. Take 10 to 15 minutes to reset your space. Clear your kitchen counters. Organize your fridge so healthy foods are easy to see, lay out your workout clothes ahead of time, and put your water bottle or journal somewhere visible, right? A tidy space equals a focused mind. Trust me. Step 6. Set 3 weekly goals and write them down. This is where intention becomes action. So choose 3 specific, realistic goals for your week and make sure you write them down. Examples: I will drink 2 liters of water 5 days this week. I'll strength train 3 times this week. I'll prep all my work lunches by Sunday night. Write them where you'll see them on your fridge, your mirror, your phone lock screen, and review them daily. Because if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. But when it's top of your mind, you start making moves, right? Number 7, review and adjust weekly. Finally, every week, take 10 minutes to reflect and adjust. And ask yourself, what worked this week? What didn't? What can I do differently next week? This is how you build a routine that grows with you, not against you. You're not striving for perfection, you're aiming for progress. And if you need help with your time management, ask me. I have a training for that. I have a free training for that has helped my clients with improve their time management so they can get their workouts in and finally prep meals and stuff and know what is actually important to move the needle. And actually, not just for their weight loss and fitness goals, but actually anything in their life, right? To reach any goal in life. That time management training is really important. And I have several ways it can help you with your time management, and it also comes with a sheet, so ask me for it. So let's recap the 7 simple steps to prepare for the week like a boss so you can stay consistent in your weight loss and fitness journey are: number 1, pick your planning day. Number 2, schedule workouts and self-care. Number 3, plan realistic meals you actually enjoy. Number 4, choose your grocery day and meal prep day. Number 5, clean and organize your environment. Number 6, set 3 weekly goals and write them down. And number 7, review and adjust weekly. Lastly, I want to say that staying consistent with your weight loss and fitness goals isn't about willpower. It's about structure, systems, and support. And I hope you all know that people don't magically lose weight or get fit unless they were sick or something, right? Preparation puts you back in the driver's seat. It eliminates excuses. It helps you stop reacting and start leading your life intentionally. So if you're tired of starting over every Monday, this is your sign to do things differently. So which one of these are you going to implement this week? Drop it in the comments. Let's plan and slay this week together. And to have that extra layer of support, structure, and accountability, my program Recharge is designed specifically for women over 35 who want to lose up to 10 pounds and more without deprivation or complicated meal plans. It's not about quick fixes or extreme diets. It's about building habits that last. Being stronger emotionally in your whole self, not just physically, right? So why this program works is sustainable results. No more quick fixes. This program is about making realistic, lasting changes that fit your lifestyle. Number 2 is a personalized approach. Your body is unique. Your fat loss and or fitness plan should be too. I'll tailor everything to you. Basically, everything is customized to you. You get support every step of the way. You get weekly check-ins, accountability, and customized workouts and nutrition and a lifestyle plan so you'll never feel alone. And food freedom. No more replacements or pills, just real food, real results. You can enjoy your meals without the guilt. So, I know you're tired of feeling stuck in the fat loss and or fitness cycle. You're ready for a real lasting change. So if that sounds like you, let's make it happen together. So, comment how below or send me a message to learn more about how Recharge can work for you in just 16 weeks. I'll help you stop the cravings, ditch the quick fixes, and lose the fat that's holding you back. So, let's make this your breakthrough. You deserve it. And I'll see you next Thursday for another training. And if you're watching this straight out of YouTube, I'm going to attach my links at the bottom so you can message me on Facebook, Instagram, and join my free Facebook group. Alright, that's it for now. Bye!